Hello guys, I'm Paris the Option Guy and welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, as I said, that market will come down if we go below certain levels, right? Bank Nifty, as I said, below 47,750. If we start sustaining, you guys can then go ahead and take a short trade. You can get easy momentum till 47,500. But the market went and closed near 47,300, right? So definitely markets are not looking very good. The buyers are not looking very good, right? And again, this is a very tricky market, and so if you're having a hard time making money, it's all right, because if you see, one day the market, once the market is going down, then the market is coming up, then it is going down, so it is sort of very confusing, right? You can't really gauge where exactly the market wants to go, right? Same thing with Nifty also. One day it goes up, one day it comes down, right? So yes, this is a very sort of tricky market. So yes, even if you are having a hard time, just remember that everybody is having a hard time, right? Especially the positional players who are trying to take a view for 2 to 3 days, right? Anyways, that out of the way, what can we do for tomorrow? First of all, if you see, our target was hit in Bank Nifty. In Nifty also, our target was hit below 20,420. Wait, where? Yeah, basically the market started over here, right? So basically below this zone is where we were thinking about taking a short trade, right? So the market, yes, the market did create a little bit of volatility at the start, but after that, basically throughout the day, the market went down, and then in the end we also did hit our target, right? So I hope you would have captured this trade. But anyways, what can we do for tomorrow? It's going to be very simple. Now 47,200 will be our basically the support that we need to look out for. Below 47,200, if we start going, then we can get another momentum till 47,000, and if 47,000 is not being sustained, then we can get a momentum easily till 46,700 also. So I hope so again, 47,200 will be very important. If we are opening with a gap down below 47,200 itself, we'll wait for a little bit of pullback till 47,250 to 200, right? In this area, if we see that market is struggling to hold that area, right? When market is making a pattern like this or a pattern like this, that is when we'll go ahead and take a short trade from there. And then our first target will be 47,000. Book a little bit above 47,000 itself. Do not wait for the exact number of 47,000, right? And if the market is if the market is not able to hold 47,000, that is when we can expect the market to come down till 46,700 to 600 area, right? Then we can expect another 300 points of down move in Bank Nifty also. So again, what you can do is going to be very simple. If we start sustaining below 47,200, if we open with a gap down, we'll wait for a little bit of pullback. But if let's say we open flat and start crossing 47,200, right, that is when we can go ahead and take a short trade over here. Keep a stop loss of max to max 100 points, no more need than that. And then we can easily, first of all, keep a target of 47,000 on the downside, and then the second target of 46,700 to 600. Basically in this range you can book anywhere that you feel like, but best would be to book at 46,700, right? So again, because why am I saying so is because now the market, it looks like the sellers have started to come in the market and they are making the market a little bit weak. If you see, Dow Jones, S&P, all of them are also in the red, right? But again, we'll need to see how these guys close. Do they close at lower levels itself? Because if they do, then we will definitely see more weakness in our markets also. If we open with a gap up anywhere above above 47,500, then we cannot really do anything for tomorrow. Then best thing would be to skip tomorrow and then wait for the market to either consolidate in this range for one day and then break out on the upside, right? And yeah, just sit on the sidelines for tomorrow, right? If we open in the gap up, big gap up anywhere above 47,500 or even near 47,500 also. Talking about Nifty, about 22,400, if we open with a gap up, then we can actually about 22,380, if you open the gap and start sustaining, then basically market will not really move anywhere for tomorrow. Probably a day or two market will spend in this range, and then either it can break out on the upside or on the downside. But yes, after that, if we open flat and then start crossing 22,300, then we can get a move till 22,240, right? This is a small move that you can capture, but I would not recommend capturing this because there is again a support of 22,280 and all that stuff. So it won't really be the best trade that you can get over here. Best trade would be if market consolidates above 22,240 for some time, right? And then if market breaks below 22,240, that is when we can get a good enough momentum till 22,170 first of all, right? Because if you see, the market did see some buying from here, so market will take a little bit of support from here, right? So then we can expect a good move on the downside, right? If market waits over here for some time, then we can expect a very good move till 22,170 first of all. But once 22,170 is broken, that is when we can expect 22,080 to 22,050 on the downside, which will be a second target, right? So again, about 22,240, we need a little bit of basically consolidation, and then once we after that consolidation, once we break down, that is when we can go ahead and take a short position. So I hope that is clear for you guys. As I said, if you open with a gap up, then can't really do anything. Best thing would be to wait for one day and then take a trade afterwards, right? And if we open with a gap down somewhere near 22,250 or maybe below 22,240 also, then if we open with a gap down, let's say below 22,240, then we'll wait for just a little bit of pullback till 22,250 area, right? And then if you are seeing that market is taking rejection from there, 250 to 280 in this 30-point range, if you are seeing that market is taking rejection, that is when we can go ahead and take a short position from there itself for the targets that were mentioned, right? So I hope that is clear for you guys. And again, guys, thank you for watching till the end. I hope this analysis helped, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.